Exercise number 3.6. First question. In that eighth one we are discussing. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Some equations are given to us. We have to convert them to a linear equation. Then we have to solve it. Solving means find the value of unknown quantity. Here unknown quantities are x and y. So x value and y values we have to find. First we will write given pair of equation. What are the equations given to us that you can take? Now 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. Further it can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. You observe this equation and this equation. Here 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y is repeating. 1 by 3x minus y, 1 by 3x minus y is repeating. So whatever the things are repeating, whatever the values are repeating, you can assume them as a, b or p, q, like that you can assume. So for my convenience, I have taken 1 by 3x plus y as p and 1 by 3x minus y as q. So the equation, first equation, instead of first equation, now wherever 1 by 3x plus y is there, write there p. Wherever 1 by 3x minus y is there, write there q. So it will become as, so 1 by 3x plus y is there, so I can write p. So p, what is there? Plus 1 by 3x minus y. Instead of 1 by 3x minus y, I should take q is equals to, what is there? 3 by 4. Further you can simplify. 4 is dividing. If you transpose to LHS, it will multiply both p plus q. So it will become as 4 into p plus q. 4 into p is 4p plus 4 into q is 4q. That equals to 3. Say this one as first equation. Next, in the same way, the same p and q values, 1 by 3x plus y is p, 1 by 3x minus y is q. You have to substitute in this equation also. So let us see, 1 by 2 into this one is p. 1 by 2 into p, so it can be written as 1 by 2 into p. Next, this is minus 1 by 2 into q. Minus 1 by 2 into q is equals to, what is there? Minus 1 by 8. Now like fractions, same denominator is there. You can take single denominator. 1p is p minus 1q is q is equals to minus 1 by 8. Further it can be written as, actually you can cancel like this. 2 is dividing. If it will, if you transpose to RHS, it will multiply this minus 1 by 8. So 2 1 time, 2 4 times. Instead of that 2 1 time, 2 4 times. I am cancelling here only. So p minus q by 1 is p minus q is equals to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Now this 4 is dividing. If it is transposed to LHS, it will multiply this both p and q. It will become as 4p minus 4q is equals to minus 1. Say this one as second equation. Next, we have to solve this equation 1 and 2. You observe here 4p, 4p, 4q, 4q. And then there is, you need not multiply this equation with any other number. Directly p coefficients are same, q coefficients also same. So by solving equations 1 and 2, what you are going to get? Take the first equation as it is, take the second equation as it is. So this, suppose when you are adding 4p plus 4p will be 8p. There is no cancellation of p. 4q minus 4q will become a 0. So when you are adding, so q term will be eliminated. 4p plus 4p will be 8p is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So 8p equal to 2. From this you can write p is equals to 2. 8 is multiplying. If you transpose to this side, it will divide 2 1 time, 2 4 times. So from this you can write p is equal to 1 by 4. Likewise, you have to find out the value of q also. So after getting p value, you can substitute either in first equation or in second equation. Let us go with the p value 1 by 4. You can substitute in first equation. Put p equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. So I am writing here, put p is equals to 1 by 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Let us see. Equation 1 is 4p plus 4q equal to 3. 4p plus 4q equal to 3. 4p plus 4q is equals to 3. So p value 1 by 4. P value 1 by 4. 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4q as it is equal to 3. 4 gets cancelled. This is 1 only. 1 plus 4q equal to 3 plus 1 if you transpose to RHS, it will become as 4q is equal to 3 plus 1 if you transpose to RHS, it will become as minus 1. 3 minus 1. 4q equal to 3 minus 1. 4q, 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So 4q is equal to 2. From this you can write q is equal to 2 by 4 is multiplying. It will divides. So 2 ones are 2, 2 times. So that you got the value of q as 1 by 2. But our intention is not to find p value and q value. Our intention is to find out x value and y value. So what is the relationship between this p and q and x and y? Here you assumed as 1 by 3x plus y as p, 1 by 3x minus y as q. But you had to write those two lines. But 1 by 3x plus y equal to p and 1 by 3x minus y equal to q. 1 by 3x plus y is equal to p and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. Right. So p value how much you got? P value 1 by 4. So p value 1 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 3x plus y, and 1 by 3x minus y is nothing but q. Q value you got it as 1 by 2. So instead of q you can write 1 by 2. Right. So cross multiplication you can take 4 into 1 4, 3x plus y into 1 is 3x plus y. So you can write 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y. So 3x minus 1 y into 1 is 3x minus y. 2 into 1 is 2 only. Now what you need to do further, you have to solve this by using elimination method. Let us see. This is plus y and this is minus y. By adding them, simply these two y term will be cancelled. So you assume this one as third equation and this is fourth equation. By solving equations 3 and 4, what you are going to get? 3x plus y is equal to 4 first one, 3x minus y is equal to 2. Simply plus y minus y, it will be cancelled by adding 3x plus 3x is 6 times of x, 4 plus 2 is 6. From this you can write x is equal to 6 is multiplying, it will be transposed to RHS, it will divide the 6, x equal to 6 by 6, so that you can write x equal to 1. You got x value as 1. Now what you need to find? Y value. So what put x value 1, put x is equal to 1 in either of these two equations, either in third or in fourth you can take. For our convenience, I would like to substitute in third equation, in equation 3. What equation 3? 3x plus y equal to 4. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Instead of x you had to write 1. So x in place of x I wrote as 1. 3 into 1 will be 3 only, plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to what you can write? Y is equal to 4 plus 3 transpose to this side minus 3. Finally you can conclude y is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So x value is 1, y value 1. You got both the unknown quantities values, x is 1 and y is 1. So that is why problem is solved.